Today, I'll show you how to set Google Chrome as your default browser in Windows. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. In Windows, your default browser is the app that opens web links automatically. Google says Chrome can be set as the default browser from inside Chrome, and Microsoft says Windows also lets you change it from the default apps section in Settings. Let's start with the easiest method. Open Google Chrome on your computer, then click the three dots in the top right corner and go to Settings. In the default browser section, Google says you can click Make Default. If you don't see that button, Chrome may already be your default browser. Now, on many Windows 11 computers, Chrome may send you to the Windows settings page to finish the change. Google's current Windows 11 instructions say you should open Start, then Settings, then Apps, then Default Apps. In the search box under Set Defaults for Applications, type Chrome, then select Google Chrome. At the top, next to make Google Chrome your default browser, click Set Default. Microsoft also confirms that the normal Windows path is Settings greater than Apps greater than Default Apps, where you choose the app you want as the default. That means even if Chrome doesn't switch automatically from inside the browser, you can always finish the setup directly in Windows settings. If Chrome does not appear in the list, there's a good chance it isn't installed correctly yet. In that case, install Chrome first, then go back and repeat the same steps. Google's Chrome Help explains that once Chrome is installed, the Make Default option becomes available inside Chrome settings. One more thing to remember is that setting Chrome as your default browser is different from setting your default search engine. Making Chrome the default only means links open in Chrome. Your search engine inside Chrome can still be changed separately later if needed. That follows from the way Windows default apps and Chrome settings are handled separately, and that's how to set Google Chrome as your default browser in Windows. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.